What is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic genes, Sabha? Siri, Juvina, मुदिता त्रिपाठी, मुदिता सुन रही हो? मुदिता
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्या बोल रहे?
व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन आप क्या जानते हैं? हम इतना पढ़ा है, बताओ पहले व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड यूकैरियोटिक जीन? व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड यूकैरियोटिक जीन? सबा, जुबीना, सीरी, मुदिता त्रिपाठी, मुजम्मिल जफर, बताइए पहले दो एक लेट मी नो।
होता है
आप बोलो।
और क्या सर?
यूकैरियोटिक जीन सिंगल प्रोटीन को कोड करता है।
यूकैरियोटिक जीन सिंगल प्रोटीन को कोड करता है। प्रोकैरियोटिक
वो मतलब
सबसे बेसिक डिफरेंस बताओ। सबसे पहले लेट मी नो द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड यूकैरियोटिक जीन। The main difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic gene. You should. I think that you are not revising the topic which is being taught. In the previous lecture, I have already said that the prokaryotic gene is not a split, and the eukaryotic gene is split. The first and the major difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic gene is that eukaryotic gene is split, consisting of coding and non-coding sequences, exons and introns, whereas the prokaryotic gene is not split. Prokaryotic genes do not have any non-coding sequence. The prokaryotic gene consists of only coding sequences. This is the first difference. The second difference is that the prokaryotic DNA does not remain associated with the histone protein. Prokaryotic DNA में, prokaryotic gene में, is there any formation of nucleosome like a structure in the prokaryotic cell? Never. There is no complete absence of histone protein in the prokaryotic cell. Therefore, there is no question of association of histone protein, no question of formation of any nucleosome. So the second difference is that the prokaryotic genes do not remain associated with the histone protein because of the complete absence of the histone protein. Whereas the eukaryotic genes DNA remain associated with the histone protein to form the nucleosome structure. So this is the second difference. The third difference between the prokaryote, since today we are studying the structure of prokaryotic gene. So at first I am highlighting the differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic difference. So you have seen two differences. Now let us see the second. Let us see the third difference. The third difference is that the prokaryotic genes are polycistronic. The prokaryotic genes are polycistronic, and eukaryotic genes are monocistronic. What is the meaning of the polycistronic and eucistronic, Jubina? Sabha? Kusi Agarwal? What is the difference between polycistronic and monocistronic? What is the difference between polycistronic and monocistronic genes? Hello, Mujammil Jafar? Mujammil Jafar?
Sir, both introns and exons are present in same gene.
I am not asking the split nature. I am asking the difference between these two terms. Prokaryotic genes are polycistronic, whereas prokaryotic genes are polycistronic and eukaryotic genes are monocistronic. What is the meaning? What do you
पॉलीसिस्टोनिक एक प्रोटीन से ज्यादा को कोड करता है, मोनोसिस्टोनिक किसी पार्टिकुलर को कोड करेगा, सिर्फ एक को.
Who is answering the question? हेलो,
यस सर.
ये कौन आंसर बता रहा है? What is your name? Who is answering the हेलो, उजमा जवाब है. उजमा साफिया हसन. हेलो, साफिया है, साफिया?
यस सर।
साफिया तुम, हेलो साफिया, हेलो हेलो साफिया, आर यू, एम आई, इज माई ऑडियो क्लियर टू यू? हेलो
साफिया नहीं है सर।
Safia has made Safia has made her attendance in the WhatsApp group.
लेकिन यहाँ नहीं आई है, ज्वाइन नहीं की है।
अच्छा ठीक है, ले तो आप बताएं, आप लोगों में से कोई बताइए, आप लोगों में से कोई बताओ। अरे पॉलीसिस्टोनिक प्रोकैरियोटिक जीन्स हम लैक ऑपरेंट, जब while I was teacher, when I taught you the लैक ऑपरेंट, I have already mentioned the difference between the polycystonic and monocystonic। और आज हम प्रोकैरियोटिक जीन का है, प्रोकैरियोटिक जीन का one of the character of the prokaryotic gene is that prokaryotic genes are polycystonic and prokaryotic genes are polysystonic, whereas eukaryotic genes are monocystonic. And it means that if you are not responding to my question, and if you are not answering my question, let me differentiate these two terms. Polysystonic means that the prokaryotic genes are polysystonic. It means that in gene, more than one genes are transcribed on the same mRNA. More than one gene, more than one structural genes are transcribed on the same mRNA. As you have studied in the lac operant that there are 3 structural genes, SG1, SG2 and SG3, and all these 3 structural genes are meant for encoding 3 different enzymes, and all these 3 genes are transcribed on the same mRNA. So in this way, the prokaryotic genes are polysystonic, consisting of more than one cystron, more than one structural genes, whereas eukaryotic genes are monocystonic. It means that a particular structural gene is transcribed on a separate mRNA. More than one genes are never transcribed on the same mRNA in case of eukaryote. It means that a particular gene is transcribed on a particular mRNA in case of eukaryote. That eukaryotic, therefore, eukaryotic gene or eukaryotic mRNA is always monocystonic, whereas the prokaryotic genes are polysystonic, and their mRNA is also polysystonic because more than one structural genes are being transcribed on the same mRNA. Therefore, this is the third difference. I am pointing out the one by one. Till now, I have made the three differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic genes. The first difference, the prokaryotic genes are non-split, eukaryotic genes are split. The second difference is that the prokaryotic genes never remain associated with the histone protein, whereas the eukaryotic genes remain associated with the histone protein. The third difference is that the prokaryotic genes are polysystonic, whereas the eukaryotic genes are monocystonic. And the fourth difference is that the prokaryotic genes are transcribed. The prokaryotic genes are transcribed on the same mRNA, whereas the eukaryotic genes are not transcribed on the same RNA. The fifth difference is that a number of prokaryotic genes is associated with a single regulator. प्रोकैरियोटिक जीन्स में एक से ज्यादा जीन किससे कनेक्ट होते हैं? एक ही रेगुलेटर से। लेकिन यूकैरियोटिक जीन्स में क्या होता है? Each gene has its own regulator, but in case of prokaryotic genes, a number of genes are associated with a single regulator. एक ही regulator से ये attach होता है, ठीक है? As for example, you have seen that in case of lac operin and tryptophan operin, you have already studied that there is a presence of a single regulator, and the single regulator is controlling the expression of the 3 structural genes in lac operin and 5 structural genes in the tryptophan operin. So it becomes clear here that the prokaryotic genes have a single regulator, whereas the eukaryote, in case of eukaryote, Each eukaryotic gene has its own regulator, but this is the not case in case of prokaryote. A number of structural genes are controlled by a single regulator. As for example, 3 structural genes are being controlled by a single regulator. In case of tryptophan operin, the 5 structural genes are being regulated by a single regulator. There are some exception. अब आपसे पूछेंगे हम, अब आप बताइए, have you studied any, can you cite me any examples of the prokaryotic gene in which multiple regulators are present? मुदिता त्रिपाठी, साफिया हसन, जुबीना, सीरी, आप बताओ, हम पढ़ा चुके हैं. I have already taught in the classroom that in some, there is an exception, as I have said here, that there a number of structural genes is controlled by a single regulator in prokaryote. But there are some exceptions in which the prokaryotic genes have multiple regulator. Can you cite the examples in which there is presence of multiple regulator? Mudita Tripathi, Safia Hasan. Safia, बताइए. नहीं हो रही. Any example of prokaryotic gene in which there is presence of multiple regulators? You have already studied, Safia, the histidine operin. Hello? The histidine operin, I have already taught you. You have already studied 3 lac operins here, 3 prokaryotic prokaryotic operins. Number 1, lac operin you have studied tryptophan operin, you have also studied histidine operin. What happens? What have you seen in case of the histidine operin? Histidine operin, the histidine operin is very unique because the histidine operin has 10 structural genes and there is a presence of multiple regulator. The regulator of the histidine operin consists of 5 regulators. I just want to recall your memory. I have already taught in the regular class in the class histidine. I have already taught you. You have already studied the histidine operin, and the histidine operin has multiple regulator consisting of 5 regulator genes. 5 regulator genes together act as a unit and act as a controlling switch. So this is the very good example, the excellent example of any prokaryotic gene having the multiple regulator. Generally, prokaryotic gene has a single regulator, whereas in case of histidine operin, there is presence of multiple regulator, consisting of 5 regulator genes. So this is an exception. Can you cite any example of operin where there is a presence of multiple promoter region? You also know that there is a presence of a single promoter region. Prokaryotic gene में आपको जानते हैं कि lac operin में पढ़ा था आपने कि एक promoter region होता है, tryptophan में भी एक promoter region होता है. Can you cite any example of operin where in which there is presence of two promoter regions? Multiple regulator का तो मैंने example आपको बताया histidine operin में. तो can you cite me any example of multiple promoter region present in the prokaryotic gene? This is very important question, Safia. Such questions are generally asked in the medical entrance and the biotechnology entrance examinations. Very important. Presence of multiple regulator, presence of multiple promoter. These are the exceptions. Generally, the prokaryotic genes have a single regulator. Generally, the prokaryotic genes have a single promoter. But there are some exceptions. I have just given an example of multiple regulator in case of histidine. Is there any example of the multiple region? Mujammil, Mudita Tripathi. Yes, there is an example. Arabinogen. बैक्टीरियल ऑपरेन में 1-2 ऑपरेन जो आपके सिलेबस में नहीं